Hi guys, it's Writing Review with Mrs. Mercado. Today's review lesson will be on how to use our prompt to write an introduction. And we can do this by using the sentences in the prompt. So you know that step one I'd reviewed last week is to read the prompt. So this prompt says, what is the problem in the fable? How is the problem solved? What is the moral of the fable? And use details from the story in your answer. In your response, be sure to tell what the problem is in the fable, tell how the problem was solved, tell the moral of the fable, and use details from the story. I've already annotated the prompt. I did my I will tell for my introduction, and I labeled the parts of the prompt that I need to talk about. I need to talk about the problem in the fable, how the problem is solved, and the moral of the fable. So now that I've annotated that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my annotated parts, which is step 3, and write an introduction. So I'm going to combine and make a complete introduction based on the sentences from the prompt. So I'm going to start with, I will tell the problem in the fable. So that means I've done this part. Now I need to add in the problem, how the problem was solved. Since I've done this part. And the moral of the fable, which is the last part of the questions. So now if you look at my introduction, it matches my prompt. I will tell the problem in the fable, how the problem is solved, and the moral of the fable. This introduction tells me the 3 things that will be in the essay. Next week, I'm going to show you how to write your B1, which is the problem in the fable. See you then.